At the bottom of our world, a land of stark beauty and unparalleled mystery awaits. Lies Antarctica, a realm of ice and snow stretching beyond the horizon. It's a continent of profound silence, immense scale and enduring mystery, a place that captures the imagination and challenges our understanding of the planet. It's the coldest, a place where temperatures plummet to unimaginable lows, testing the limits of survival. It's the driest and highest continent, a vast desert of ice sculpted by relentless winds and unforgiving conditions. It's an environment so extreme it feels almost alien, a landscape unlike any other on Earth, a true testament to the power of nature. Yet, beneath its seemingly barren, frozen surface, secrets await, hidden stories etched in ice and stone. These are secrets that have driven explorers and scientists for generations, beckoning them to brave the elements and venture into the unknown. They push themselves to the edge of human endurance, all for the sake of discovery in this remote and challenging land. Antarctica's remoteness has preserved its mysteries, shielding it from the rapid changes affecting the rest of the world. This makes it a time capsule of Earth's history, a frozen archive holding clues to our planet's past and future. The continent is dedicated to peace and science, a beacon of international cooperation in a world often divided. It's a place where knowledge takes precedence, where researchers from around the globe come together to unravel the secrets of the ice. Its isolation has kept its stories intact, preserving a unique record of environmental change and geological history. These stories are waiting for us to uncover them, to piece together the puzzle of Antarctica's past and its role in our planet's future. How did this frozen desert once support lush forests? What dramatic shifts in climate transformed this green land into a polar wasteland? What life survives in the darkness beneath the ice? What bizarre and resilient creatures have adapted to thrive in this extreme environment? And what can Antarctica teach us about our changing world? How can its icy depths inform our understanding of climate change and its global impact? The story of Antarctica is inextricably linked to the story of our planet, a crucial piece of the global puzzle. It's a story written in ice and rock, a geological record stretching back millions of years. Join us as we journey from the windswept surface where blizzards rage and ice crystals dance in the air to the hidden depths below, where subglacial lakes teem with life and ancient secrets lie undisturbed. We'll be exploring a world unseen by human eyes, venturing into the unknown corners of this frozen continent. This is the story of what lies beneath the Great White Continent, a story of resilience, discovery, and the enduring power of nature. It's a story still unfolding with every new discovery, with each expedition pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and revealing new wonders of the Antarctic. Antarctica, a land of stark beauty and extreme conditions holding secrets buried deep beneath its icy surface. To understand what's beneath Antarctica, to truly appreciate the discoveries that await us, we must first grasp the enormity of what's on top. The sheer scale of the ice sheet is almost incomprehensible, a frozen wilderness that dominates the continent. The Antarctic ice sheet is a colossal dome, a seemingly endless expanse of white that stretches to the horizon in every direction. It's a landscape sculpted by millennia of snowfall and relentless cold. This ice sheet isn't just a thin layer, it's nearly 3 miles thick in places, a testament to the immense accumulation of snow over vast stretches of time. The weight of this ice is staggering. This frozen behemoth is more than just a large ice cube. It's a critical component of our planet's climate system, holding 90% of Earth's ice, a reservoir of frozen water that dwarfs all others, and within that ice lies 70% of its fresh water, a resource of unimaginable value, locked away in a frozen embrace. Its preservation is paramount to the future of our planet. If it melted, a scenario we must strive to avoid, sea levels would rise by 60 meters, a catastrophic event that would reshape the world as we know it. Coastal cities would be submerged, and entire island nations would disappear. This would be reshaping every coastline, forcing mass migrations and creating unprecedented global challenges. The implications are truly staggering. Temperatures here can drop below -80 degrees Celsius, a level of cold that is almost impossible to comprehend. Survival here is a constant battle against the elements, and if the cold wasn't enough, katabatic winds can exceed 200 miles per hour, creating blizzards of unimaginable ferocity. These winds are a force of nature unlike any other. The ice presses down on the land with immense force, a pressure so great that it deforms the very bedrock beneath. This is depressing the bedrock far below sea level, creating a hidden landscape that lies concealed beneath the ice. It's a world turned upside down. For centuries, this shield kept Antarctica's secrets hidden, a frozen barrier that defied exploration and concealed its hidden wonders. With early explorers seeing only a featureless wasteland, a desolate and unforgiving environment that offered little encouragement. They could only scratch the surface of the secrets held within, but the ice is not static, it flows. A dynamic and ever-changing landscape that is constantly in motion. With glaciers and ice streams moving like frozen rivers toward the sea, carving pathways through the ice and shaping the landscape as they go. These are the arteries of the ice sheet. Each layer of ice traps bubbles of ancient air, tiny time capsules that hold a wealth of information about our planet's past. This is preserving a record of past climates, allowing scientists to piece together the history of Earth's temperature, atmospheric composition, and environmental conditions. By drilling deep cores, penetrating the ice sheet to its very depths, scientists reconstruct Earth's climate history, unlocking the secrets held within these frozen archives. This is stretching back hundreds of thousands of years, providing invaluable insights into the natural cycles of our planet and the impact of human activity. Yet the greatest discoveries have come from looking through the ice, using advanced technologies to peer beneath the surface and reveal the hidden world below. Not just into it, but through it, to uncover the secrets that lie buried beneath the frozen landscape. To map the hidden continent below, to chart the mountains, valleys, and lakes that lie concealed beneath the ice sheet, scientists needed a revolution in technology, advanced tools and techniques that could penetrate the ice and reveal the secrets of this hidden world. Unlocking Antarctica's secrets is a monumental task, a challenge that has captivated scientists and explorers for generations. The continent's vastness and extreme conditions demand not only courage and resilience, but also groundbreaking technological solutions. It required scientific ingenuity, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in polar research. Early expeditions relied on basic tools, but as our understanding grew, so did the need for more sophisticated methods. The breakthrough came with ice-penetrating radar, a revolutionary technique that allowed us to see through the seemingly impenetrable ice sheets. This involved sending radio waves from aircraft, specially equipped to handle the harsh Antarctic environment. These planes became our eyes in the sky, mapping the hidden world below. These radio waves traveled through the ice, bouncing off the rock beneath, and returning to the surface with valuable data about the terrain. This data was then processed to create a detailed 3D map of the subglacial world, revealing mountains, valleys, and even lakes hidden beneath the ice. This technology revealed Antarctica as two distinct continents, a discovery that challenged previous assumptions about the continent's formation. We learned that it's comprised of a vast east, characterized by a stable, ancient landmass, and a fragmented west, a collection of smaller blocks and islands. This fundamentally reshaped our understanding of its geology, forcing us to rethink the continent's history and its place in the Earth's geological evolution. But the story doesn't end there. Scientists also use magnetic, gravitational, and other geophysical methods to paint a more complete picture. They conduct seismic surveys, sending sound waves into the Earth to map the density and structure of the rocks below. All of this is done to probe the hidden landscape, revealing the secrets buried beneath miles of ice. And what about the subglacial lakes, bodies of water trapped beneath the ice for millions of years? To reach these pristine environments, engineers developed hot water drills, powerful machines that can melt through the thickest ice. These drills create narrow boreholes through miles of ice, a delicate process that requires precision and careful planning. The entire operation is conducted with strict sterile procedures, all while avoiding contamination of these unique ecosystems. Once through, robotic submersibles, sophisticated underwater vehicles are deployed. These submersibles are sterilized and equipped with cameras and sensors, ready to explore the unknown depths. They venture into these alien environments, sending back images and data that reveal the secrets of these hidden worlds. These machines collect water and sediment samples, carefully preserving them for analysis back in the lab. Scientists are searching for signs of life, hoping to discover organisms that have adapted to these extreme conditions. The combination of remote sensing, providing a broad overview, and direct exploration, offering detailed insights, has pulled back the icy curtain, revealing a world far more complex and dynamic than we ever imagined. We now see Antarctica as a dynamic, complex world, shaped by geological forces and influenced by climate change. It's not a static block of ice, but a constantly evolving landscape with hidden features and surprising secrets. Each new tool brings us closer to unlocking the mysteries of this frozen continent, to understanding the continent's hidden depths and its role in the global climate system. The technology continues to evolve at an accelerating pace, promising even more exciting discoveries in the years to come. This constant innovation is opening new frontiers beneath the ice, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and understanding. Through these innovations and the dedication of countless scientists and engineers, Antarctica's secrets are finally coming to light, revealing a world of wonder and scientific significance. Radar surveys revealed a vast network of subglacial lakes over 400 hidden beneath the ice. The largest, Lake Vostok, lies under 2.5 miles of ice, isolated for millions of years. These lakes are connected by rivers, forming a hidden hydrological system that lubricates the ice sheet and influences its flow. Understanding this watery world is crucial for predicting Antarctica's response to climate change. Beneath the ice, radar also uncovered the Gamburtsev Mountains peaks as tall as the Alps, entombed for over 30 million years. Deep canyons and basins like the Byrd Subglacial Basin shape the movement of the ice above. This complex topography is a key to Antarctica's past and future. The hidden landscape beneath the ice is as dramatic as any on Earth. The most astonishing find beneath Antarctic ice is evidence of a lost green world. Sediment cores reveal fossilized pollen, spores and roots, remnants of temperate rainforests that thrived 90 million years ago. Back then, Antarctica was a swampy forest, home to flowering plants, conifers, and even dinosaurs. Fossils show it was once part of the supercontinent Gondwana, teeming with life before the ice took hold. The continent's drift to the South Pole and a drop in carbon dioxide triggered its deep freeze, locking away this ancient world. These green ghosts warn us how dramatically Earth's climate can change. For millions of years, Antarctica's subglacial lakes were thought to be sterile. But samples revealed thriving communities of extremophiles, microorganisms adapted to darkness, pressure and cold. These chemotrophs survive by breaking down minerals, forming self-contained ecosystems independent of sunlight. Thousands of unique species have been found, expanding our understanding of life's resilience. These discoveries have profound implications for the search for life beyond Earth, especially on icy moons like Europa and Enceladus. Studying Antarctic microbes guides our search for extraterrestrial life. Life beneath the ice proves that where there's water and energy, life can persist. Antarctica's extremophiles redefine the boundaries of existence. Antarctica is a vital archive of Earth's history and a barometer for its future. Fossil forests and ice cores reveal how past climates shifted with changing carbon dioxide levels. Ice cores, stretching back 800,000 years, show that today's greenhouse gas rise is unprecedented. The subglacial water network acts as a lubricant, potentially accelerating ice flow as the climate warms. The fate of the West Antarctic ice sheet, grounded below sea level, is especially concerning as warm ocean water melts it from below. These discoveries provide both a warning and a guide for our future. Antarctica's past and present teach us how sensitive the planet is to change. The urgency to address climate challenges has never been clearer. Despite decades of discovery, Antarctica's hidden world remains largely unexplored. Hundreds of subglacial lakes exist, but only a few have been sampled. What secrets do the others hold? The origins of the Gamburtsev Mountains remain a mystery, as does the potential for more complex life in the lakes. Future missions with advanced robotics will probe deeper, searching for life and geological answers. The biggest questions now concern Antarctica's future. How will the ice sheet respond to warming? How fast will sea levels rise? Continued research, innovation, and international cooperation are essential. The real work of exploration is just beginning. Antarctica remains one of Earth's last frontiers, a place of beauty, challenge, and scientific wonder. We've uncovered buried mountains, ancient forests, and resilient life, transforming our view of the continent. Each discovery reveals a dynamic system, not a barren wasteland. Yet the more we learn, the more questions arise about life, geology, and the future of the ice. Antarctica's story is our planet's story, a vital piece of the global puzzle. As we continue to explore, we're not just uncovering a continent, we're learning about ourselves and our world. The great white continent still has many stories to tell. We must keep listening and keep exploring.